Carbide router bits. Router bits is considered to be one of the most useful and flexible tool when it comes to woodworking tasks. Basically, router bits are utilized to design, hollow, drill, trim, and even detail a wood or door. Generally, there are two basic classifications of router bits, and each has their own wonderful features. If you need to do more accurate depth adjustment, then you basically need a fixed base router bit. Another type of a router bit is the plunge routers. These kinds of router bits starts the cutting right in the middle of the wood you are working on. Router bits comes in many different shapes and sizes. And if you want to know more about this, visit www.carbiderouterbits.org. Thank you.